There's a new way to earn as a Shopify partner. We've introduced profit sharing. Refer brick-and-mortar merchants to Shopify POS Pro and Shopify Payments in Store, and you'll earn a percentage of recurring revenue for each merchant who adopts these. These can be new merchants to Shopify, or upgrade existing merchants to Shopify POS and Shopify Payments in Store. The more locations and payments your merchant is processing on Shopify Payments, the more you'll earn. In fact, there's no ceiling on how much you can earn. Earn 20% recurring Shopify Payments profit share for 2 years, plus $500 USD for every new Shopify POS Pro merchant you refer. Need help getting started? Take Shopify Academy's new retail learning pathway to learn the ins and outs of selling Shopify POS. And when you're submitting a referral, you can request Shopify sales assistance in the POS lead form. Ready? Submit your POS lead now in your Shopify partner dashboard and start earning. For more information on everything discussed in this video, check out the links provided.